Hey friends, it is me Stace. For today's video, we are using the Cricut to create a scrapbook layout. So I'm already inside Cricut Design Space on the welcome screen. We're going to go to the upper right hand corner and click on New Project. Left hand side toolbar, click on Shapes. Click on Shapes and a square. I'm going to resize this square to be 12 by 12 and I can use this as a guide for my layout. The bottom left hand corner of Design Space, I'm going to click on the minus sign one time. Move my square over and change the color of this to be a light blue color. My left hand side toolbar, click on Images. We want all images, so the upper left hand corner, click on all images. Left hand side under highlighted categories, we're going to go down and click on Image Sets. In the search box, type in the word album, then click on Enter. It'll bring up the family album cartridge. I'm going to click on that. In the search box, type in the word Easter. I'm making an Easter layout of the grandkids. Let's go down and find the Easter layout, which is right there, and then choose Add to Canvas. This does come and group together. I'm going to right click on that and choose Ungroup, and then delete this piece as well as that one. We'll use everything else with the layout. All right, this is our photo mat. I'm going to resize this to be 4.25 by 6.25. I'll make that be a gray color. Now we have the title. I want to have the shadow layer, the thicker layer, be a dark brown. The top will be white. So I can line that back up, highlight both, right click on that and choose Group. So you can bring that over there. Then we have these two layers here. The top piece of this one, I also want to be white, so I'll change that one. Bring them down, highlight both, right click and then choose Group. So we have that piece there. Now we have the eggs. So on the solid pieces, I want to make both of these be a dark blue color. This will be the same, dark blue. Then for this one, I'll make be a yellow color. And this one I'll make be green. So bring them back down. Highlight that, right click and choose Group. Oops, highlight both. Right click and choose Group. Bring this one down on top of that one. Highlight both again and then right click and choose Group. Alright, so we have our eggs. They're going to go over here. Then we have the strips. So I'll change these to be the same colors I was using. The dark blue, the yellow, and then also the green. Okay, so I'll bring this one over there, and also over there. Okay. Alright, left hand side toolbar. Let's go back and choose Images. Now we're still under Image Sets, so the very top left hand corner, click on Image Sets, then choose Browse All. In the search box, type in the word bunny, click on Enter. And I want the bunny that is separated with the legs and the feet, or the top and the bottom half. So you can see there's a few of them there. I want this blue one right there, so I'm going to click on that and choose Add to Canvas. All right, so we have our bunny. Now, when you click on the bunny, we can see our layers over here on the far right. I want to change the colors of these. So I'm going to have the bunny be still the light blue, but I'm going to change the ears to be a pink color. And the feet I'll make be a dark blue. All right, so I think that looks pretty good there. Now, I do want to resize the bunny to have him go over my photo. I want to have the top go on the top and the feet be on the bottom. Now because I know my photo mat is 4.25, I could just change the width of the bunny. So have the bunny selected, leave the lock locked, change just the width, and make this be 4.25. So now you'll see when I bring the bunny over, the top will fit on top of that, and the feet will fit on the bottom of that. So we're going to bring that over here, move our title over, just so we have an idea what our layout's going to look like. So my bunny will go there, and the feet will go there. My left-hand side toolbar again, choose Phrases. In the search box, I'm going to type in the word Easter, and then click on Enter. And I want the Happy Easter that has the eggs in the middle. So I'm going to go down and find that one. Which is right there. I'm going to click on that, choose Add to Canvas. So I'm going to right-click on that and choose Ungroup, then drag this piece off. Right click on it again and choose Detach, and drag this piece off, then we can delete the text. Right, so this piece here, I want to make that be the same dark blue, Then we have the egg pieces here. So when they're selected, again on the right hand side, we can see all of our colors. So I'll make the pink pieces here be the same color pink that I was using. I'll make the yellow be the same color yellow that I was using, as well as the green. Just going to bring all them back together. Get them lined up a little bit. Highlight everything, right click on that and choose group. I'm going to bring these down, make them be a little bit smaller. Maybe a little bit larger. Okay, so on these pieces here, I want to write 2023. So left hand side toolbar, click on text, and I'm going to type in 2023. I'm going to change that font to a child year, and I'm going to click that right there so my font changes. So I'm going to go ahead and resize this. I'm just going to resize one of the numbers. All right, so I think they all look pretty good there. All right, so we can delete this piece. We no longer need that. Then we can delete that piece here. Let's go to our right hand side, and we're going to click on color sync. So each color we have here represents a mat. So I can see we have a black piece here for our text. We have a black piece here. I'll just drag this bunny up to the same black, so it's all the same color. We have all of our blues, we have our brown, we have a gray, all of our green, our light blue. So I think all these colors are fine. But if I go to make it, you will see it's going to require a lot of mats. All right, let me go down. Yeah, it has 9 mats. So what I'm going to do is click on mat 5, which is my brown layer. I'm going to click on the 3 circles and choose Move Object. And I'll move that to mat 1. Click on Confirm. It's like I know the thicker piece or the shadow layer of this is dark brown. This will be white. So we eliminated the brown mat. Then we have the gray mat, which just has this on it. Then we have the black piece. So on mat 2, I'm going to click on this one and Move Object. And I'm going to move that to the black mat. And again, I know this piece is going to be a dark gray, so I can bring that down here. Then we have the pink. The brown is empty. Then we have the yellow. I'm going to leave all these ones the same. Yeah, so we removed 2 mats. All right, let me go ahead and choose that one. I'm going to choose Continue. It's going to connect to my maker, and I'm going to cut all my pieces out and go to the table, and we'll put the layout together. All right, we are back. Everything is cut out. I did go ahead and put my title together as well as part of the bunny. I did put the feet on, otherwise I would lose them really small pieces, and I put the bow tie on them. All right, so what we're going to do first is grab our strips. I'm going to use art glitter glue. I think I'm going to do the yellow one first. Just a thin line of glue all the way down. All right, so we have those there. All right, now we have our eggs. Just going to put a few dollops of glue around it. I'm going to dot it off a little bit and then put that one on there. Okay, so we have our eggs. And we have our title. Let me go ahead and glue this to this. All right, so we have that there. That's going to sit on top of that. I like that. Then we have our eggs here. Then we have these eggs. I'm just going to put these ones on. Okay, so we have that. That's going to go here. All right, let's go and take our numbers and glue them to that. Okay, so we have that. It's going to go here. Our eggs and our title. And let's grab our photo mat. That's going to go over here, so I can kind of figure out where I'm going to put this. All right, so I'm just going to do a little bit of glue right across. Again, blotting it off. And trying my best to make sure this is straight. And my phone's going to be beeping because of the rain or the wind. All right, that's going to put this on. I'm not going to pop the title up. I think I'm going to pop the eggs up as well as the bunny. So we're just going to put this right there. I'm not sure if that's straight or not. Okay. There's our title. Just a little bit more glue behind that letter right there. Okay. There's our title. Now we have the bunny. All right, so we have the white face. I did change the color of the bunny. I made it be white, just to bring out the white from over there. And that's going to go there. Then we have the ear pieces. A lot of pieces for this little bunny. Okay, and then do the other one, just make sure it fits. Blotting it off. Okay. Yep. Then we have his little hands. Okay. I don't think there's a right way or a wrong way for these guys. He is really cute. All right. Then we have the feet down here. And we have this one. Okay. And then we have the inside ears. Grab them. Again, they match our eggs down here. Okay, he's done. Let's grab our photo. This is the photo of the grandkids with the Easter Bunny. And take that and then glue this down. This is a fun layout, especially when you only have the one photo, you know. I often struggle if I want to make a layout and only have the one photo. I like how this is looking now. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and I don't know if I want to pop him up or not. I'm not sure. He's going to come down over the photo a little bit, like that. That's going to go here. They're going to go there, and he's going to go here. Yeah, I'm not going to pop him up. We'll see. Let's take our photo. I'm going to bring this over just to make sure I have enough room for this. Lining up on the left-hand side, trying to make it straight. Alright, so we're definitely going to pop these ones up. I'm going to grab my foam squares. I'm going to do 2 on the back of each one of these. Okay. I'm going to put the yellow one, the green one, the yellow one over here, so it's not, I don't have the green next to the green. Okay, that's going to go like that. And then this one. Do you think I should pop the bunny up? I'm not sure. Okay, this can go a little bit higher, so it kind of fills that side. I think I'm going to pop the bunny up. I kind of want to and I kind of don't. You can always pop this up. Let's going to pop this up. 1 square behind each one of those letters. Or numbers. And I might come back in when I'm done the video adding some rhinestones or something, just to kind of maybe fill it up a little bit. Alright, so I think that looks pretty good. So we're not going to pop the bunny up, we're just going to glue him down. I wasn't sure. Okay, I'm going to have him, now he's even with our photo mat, remember? Not the photo, so I'm going to have him go right next to the photo mat there. I'm going to hold him down. Okay, and then we have his little feet. I do want to put a little bit of glue on the bar. I'm going to go over there and blot it off a little bit, and then line the feet up with the photo mat. There we go. What do you think? Probably could have used another egg up here, right? But very simple, very fun. I like it. I love the bunny. I love how it's holding that up, and I'm glad I chose a white bunny because now it matches that bunny. And the blue from the picture kind of pulls out the blue here. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Like I said, I'll probably go in there and add a few rhinestones just to fill in some of the area that I did not fill in, like right here maybe, a little bit right here and up here. And you'll see that picture on my blog, probably also at the end of this video. All right, my friends, there you have it. A Cricut video making a scrapbook layout using the family album cartridge. Any questions at all, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.